Welcome guys, today I have for you an Okamoto model ACC 2036EX. This machine is wired for 220 volts. To the left hand side we do have a coolant tank. Up in the middle you will see, right over here, you'll see that we do have an automatic dresser. We can run it manually if we'd like over here. And then over here we have our control panel, which will do all the talking. This machine does do traverse and plunge. A couple features. Right here, we do have the hand wheel to bring our table left and right. It is important that you do make sure you activate this little sensor right here to get into your cycle. I have it marked off right here. Over here, we do have our CROSSFEED control mechanism where we could bring the saddle in and out as we'd like with our hand wheel. And then this right here is going to be for our automatic cycle. Tells you how much the saddle is going to go in and out. We also do have an automatic rapid up and down, and we could also do it with this hand wheel right here. So with all that being said, we're going to get our hydraulics going, our grinding wheel, and lastly the coolant. I'm just going to let that run real quick and turn it right off. And I will be demonstrating the rapid features. So right now we'll go into rapid up and down just by press of 2 buttons. Then you could also run it with this little hand wheel right here to get a more finer down feed. It does have 3 different denominations, 0.1, 1, and 10. And we could also go ahead and turn this on as well to bring our head in with 3 denominations of times 1, 5, or 20. Turn that off for right now. And we'll just get right into a traverse cycle. Just give me 1 second. All right. Again, like I said, make sure that that's all the way over. When you get the cycle going, go ahead, press whichever direction you want the table to go. As I mentioned, this machine does have an automatic grinding dressing feature. If we want to bring it up a little closer over here, it normally runs that at the beginning of its cycle and close to the end as well. You could set it for however many passes you'd like. And this is going to feed down all the way down to 0. Go ahead, change that speed down just a little bit. You can change our table speed. Slow it down, speed it up. I would actually like to stop this just for 1 second, as it will be a long time standing here for this cycle to finish. So go ahead, and I'm just gonna bring this down manually closer to the end. Just do a small cycle, so whenever you get it down to where you'd like, go ahead, bring your table all the way down to the sensor as I mentioned. And then you're good to go. Start the cycle back up. And as I mentioned, it will do a dress cycle real quick. And then it's going to start powering through its cycle. Machine also does have a wheel head retract option to bring your head up at the end of every cycle. Go ahead, speed this up just a little bit. Now everything is programmable. You can read everything in our instruction manuals that we will provide for the machine. There's a couple startup features. It's a couple startup procedures that you will need to do, but the book explains it all pretty well. This is going to traverse about 3 more times. We're getting close down to our end. The way that I have this machine set up currently is it'll feed all the way down close to 0. And then it's going to do one final pass. Go ahead, spark out. I believe I have it set for 1 time, if not maybe 2. I can't do that. We are currently in our spark out now. Quite a long process. I definitely should have slowed it down a little bit. Machine does have a couple leveling pads on top of the chuck right now. That is a variable chuck. We do have a dresser that does come with it. And we should just be about done. As you can see, we park off to the right-hand side. The head is retracting, and that's basically it for this machine. Again, this is going to be the Okamoto ACC 2036EX wired for 220 volts. Thank you.